Hey viewers, Mike here. Today we're going to cut some teeth into this prototype gear, and then we'll check it against the pinion gear to see how they mesh. So let's get to it. The sector arms on an index head are there to help you to advance the correct number of holes. The problem I have now is that my sector arms won't collapse far enough to where I can advance the 20 holes that I need. The 20th hole falls right underneath the one sector arm. So what I do is I advance as far as I can, and then I go the 2 extra holes, lift the pin, and then drop it in, and then advance the sector arms. And that's the way we're going to get by with this one. And the problem with this is it's one extra step, and if you miss it one time, you're toast. I'm taking full depth in one pass. Plus, we'll just go around about 1/4 of the circumference on this gear, because that'll be enough teeth for checking the fit. And I did a little more reading on this profile shifting subject, and if you remember, my pinion gear came out a little bit on the pointy side, and in doing my reading I see that that's characteristic of profile shifting on the pinion gear. So they also said that it's perfectly acceptable to trim some off the OD so that the tips of the teeth are not so fragile. And that's exactly what I did. So for our first test bit here, we will use the original pinion gear, and we'll find out. Well, I'm feeling maybe 2 or 3 thousandths of backlash, which is good, and each gear seems to be touching the other gear on its pitch line, and that's also good. And the gears are wiping each other and rolling around on their involute path pretty well, so I think this is okay. We'll lock in these dimensions. So I invite you to join me next time when we actually start working on the 4140 gears. So till then, this is Mike signing out.